Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope this video help you lot. Let us know data analyst role. Data analysts are the professionals who process data and make information. Example, I will give you example you understand better. If company if company X manufactures pen, then that company sold at various city, know the market value, and data analyst collects the data and processed. Here data means val piece of value or collection of value, and processed means data describes the feature of real world objects. Here real world object means, for example, you take a pen, bike, car, etc. In this example, uh, what data analyst collects the data and processed means the pens are sold at various cities. He collects the price and quantity and sellers details. Here Mumbai 10 rupees 50,000 retailer are the datas when these datas describes feature of a real world object, it is called information because it is processed. Here city, price, quantity, seller are the features of real world examples there. And let us look at data scientist. They are the professionals who take an information from data analyst and analyzing interpreting extremely large amount of data. For an example, he decide the correct price of pen which is to be sold at market. At that price, the profits are good demand for the product and also business will sustain. He finds the correct price by LPP called linear programming problem. He applies that as shown in the graph. He applies that and find the correct price of a pen or any real world example. You take a pen or car or bike, anything. After that, test engineers are the engineers who give creative ideas to testers to perform best testing activities. And the tester job is to test the code of software and take the inputs from test engineer and do testing activities well. And they also do backend validation or data validation by interrupting database by SQL. And they do CRUD operations. By CRUD operations, they can do create or add the data, read or retrieve the data, update or modify the data, delete or remove the data from database. Let us know what database developers do. Database developers design the database tables. Database administrator, they use SQL to create database users and to provide various roles and permissions to the database users. That is how much percentage of database should access by managers, test engineers and testers and developers. This is the general question frequently asked by interviewers: where databases are stored and why they are stored. Databases are stored under deep oceans because of some security reasons, and database shelf life is enhanced when it is stored below 30 degrees Celsius. Because of this reason, in IT companies, always AC is on. Thank you for watching this video.